What if the smallest bite made the biggest difference? Your beta cells are under siege. Oxidative stress is eating them alive. Your insulin factory is cracking. But in your palm, 7 seeds, 7 molecular shields, not fattening, medicinal. The text said seed-bearing plants. Science now sees the molecules, lignans, omega-3s, magnesium, zinc. The seed was always the shield. 7 seeds, 7 tiny powerhouses, from gel shields to beta cell bodyguards. The smallest bite, the biggest defense. Chapter 1, the gel shield. Chia, 1 seed. Add water. It explodes into a gel 10 times its size. God packed a sponge into a speck. That gel coats your gut like liquid armor. Glucose smashes into it. It slows from a sprint to a crawl. 10 grams of fiber per 2 tablespoons. Omega-3s flood your blood. The inflammation that rusts your receptors, cool. Same meal, same carbs. With chia, the mountain becomes a hill. Add to water, yogurt, oatmeal, daily, the smallest seed, the largest shield. Chapter 2, the sensitivity switch. Flaxseed, lignans inside, but the shell is locked. Grind it. The gold inside releases. Lignans improve insulin sensitivity. They dock on your receptor and turn the sensitivity dial up. The rusty lock, polished. Whole flax passes through untouched. Ground flax, absorbed completely. The difference is the grind. 1 to 2 tablespoons daily. In smoothies, yogurt, the sensitivity switch was ground. Chapter 3, the premeal strike. Almond, 1 ounce, 12 grams of healthy fat, 6 grams of protein, 3.5 grams of fiber, but the weapon, magnesium. Magnesium activates your insulin signaling enzyme. Without it, the signal dies. With it, the switch flips on. Eat them before the meal. They build a wall, the glucose from what follows, blunted before it begins. Same meal, different timing, the premeal strike wins. Chapter 4, the inflammation cutter. Walnut, shaped like a brain, packed like one too. Highest omega-3 of any tree nut. ALA, the inflammation cutter. ALA slices through NF-κB inflammation, the fire that burns your insulin receptors, doused. 1 ounce daily. Studies show fasting insulin drops. Metabolic markers improve. The brain-shaped nut, smart medicine. Chapter 5, the carb metabolizer. Pecan, lowest in carbs of all tree nuts, only 4 grams per ounce, but the real power, ellagic acid and manganese. Manganese supports carbohydrate metabolism. The gears turn smoothly. Glucose is processed, not dumped into your blood. Ellagic acid adds antioxidant armor. The oxidative attack on your beta cells, deflected. Great in salads, eaten raw. The carb metabolizer was shelled. Chapter 6, the factory fuel. Pumpkin seeds, zinc and magnesium, both critical for insulin production. The factory doors open when these minerals knock. Zinc speeds insulin production, not desperate bursts. Calm, efficient output. The factory stabilizes. Magnesium regulates glucose receptors. And sleep? It improves. Better sleep means better next day blood sugar. The seed fixes the night. Chapter 7, the beta bodyguard. Sunflower seeds, vitamin E, the beta cell bodyguard, and chlorogenic acid, the glucose brake. Vitamin E shields beta cells from oxidative damage. The attack bounces off. The factory stays intact. Chlorogenic acid slows glucose release. The stream stays gentle. The flood never forms. Choose unsalted, raw or dry roasted. The clean seed, the clean shield. Same body, different seeds. The bodyguard was shelled. 7 seeds, not all at once. Rotate them. Chia in your morning water, flax in your smoothie, almonds before dinner, walnuts as evening fuel, pecans in your salad, pumpkin seeds before bed, sunflower seeds as snack. Gel shields, sensitivity switches, premeal strikes, inflammation cutters, carb metabolizers, factory fuel, beta bodyguards, 7 seeds, 1 creator, 1 body. Pills manage, seeds shield, the pantry was always the armory. Get the full faith plus science protocol at bootdiabetics.com. Download the free 7 seeds quick reference, link in description. Join the community, thousands shielding their blood sugar. By his stripes, by the seed, we are healed. 7 seeds, 1 protocol, Jehovah Rapha, your shielded move.